Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain to you how to write the next set of hiragana characters, that is the S column and its stroke order. I'm also going to explain how to convert from the S to the Z or the Z column characters using the Dakuten. Before going to that, I would like to show you a few Japanese words, popular words and names using the S character. S for samurai, sake, Shinji Kagawa, Shinkansen, sushi, sumo, sendai, sensei. So this is the first character, sa. It has 3 strokes. Here's the first stroke, a curved line, take it to the upper right. Here's the second stroke, from top to the bottom right and then leap. Here's the third stroke, the end of the second stroke should end in such a way that it approaches the beginning of the third stroke. This is sa. It looks a little bit like the key of the K column, except that key has 4 strokes and this has sa has 3 strokes. Here's the next character, shi. It has only 1 stroke. It looks like a hook. Here's the stroke order, from top to the bottom, curve it and leave it free. This part looks a little bit like you're holding an umbrella and this is the grip. Shi. One exception here is that in the hiragana chart, instead of being the C, it's shi in the chart. It's written in Romaji in both ways, C and shi, but the hiragana chart tells us sashi su se so. So, for example, if you want to pronounce SIM card, try pronouncing it as shimkado.
SIM card,
SIM カード
SIM card,
SIM カード
Character is su, as in sushi. It has 2 strokes. So here's the first stroke, a nice and a long line to the upper right. Here's the second stroke. You take it from the top to the bottom here. You tie it like a knot. Leave it free at the bottom. This shouldn't be a complete circle. Just look at the shape here. This is su. It looks a little bit like you're tying a knot. Next character is se. It has 3 strokes. Here's a stroke order. The first stroke to the upper right. Here's the second stroke, from top to the bottom and you leap it inside. Let me write the third stroke here. You start the third stroke from this position here, from top to the bottom, curved, and then you stop here. Note the difference between the end of the first stroke and the end of the third stroke. Also note the difference that the position of the beginning of the third stroke is lower than the beginning of the second stroke. This portion here has to be curved. This is se. The last character of the S column is so. It has only 1 stroke. This portion looks like a Z and then nice and curved like a C, and you stop here. So here's the stroke order, slanting line, take it to the upper right and then drop it down like a Z, extend it till here and then curve it and stop here. This portion looks like a C and this like a Z. This is so. Let's form a different set of characters and sounds, that is the voiced consonants from the unvoiced consonants, by adding the Dakuten or the quotation marks or the parallel lines that I explained to you in my previous lesson. So by adding the Dakuten here, sa becomes za. By adding the Dakuten here, she becomes ji. By adding Dakuten here, su becomes zu, and se becomes ze. Add the Dakuten here, so becomes zo. If you have any questions, please do post in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And look forward to my next video, guys.